60-second Traffic Pro Review. Get a 10K plus list of followers on autopilot with this patent-pending free traffic app. Dear struggling online marketers out there. We all know that everyone wants to leverage small things into big things because you never, ever want to exchange dollars for hours as you do at a day job. Not if you want to become wealthy. That is one of the keys to online wealth, or anywhere else if you intend to create leverage. And that, my friend, brings us to the new online income app I have recently discovered. If you're tired of having a $0 balance in your PayPal, ClickBank, and other online accounts, I've got very exciting news for you. And 60-second Traffic offers real, 100% free unlimited traffic on tap for literally everybody. So let's not wait any longer and jump right into this review to get more details. 60-second Traffic Review. The overview. Refund creator Brian Winters. Product 60-second Traffic, 60ST, front-end price $17, guarantee 30 days money back guarantee. Recommend, highly recommend. 60-second Traffic Pro Review. About the product. The all-new patent-pending 60-second Traffic, free traffic app builds a following of tens of thousands of people for its users on autopilot, guaranteeing free clicks, leads, and commissions to virtually any affiliate link or offer, in just 60 seconds a pop. Step 1. You log into the app. Step 2. You schedule your free traffic to any affiliate or offer link. Step 3. You sit back while our app sends you the traffic like an obedient little robot, and that's literally all there is to it. 60-second Traffic 10. Product rating 17. 60-second Traffic Pro. Name, 60-second Traffic. Description. The all-new patent-pending 60-second Traffic, free traffic app builds a following of tens of thousands of people for its users on autopilot, guaranteeing free clicks, leads, and commissions to virtually any affiliate link or offer, in just 60 seconds a pop. Offer price, $17. Currency, USD. Operating system, all systems. Application category, software. Author, Brian Winters. Summary. All in all, this is 100% recommended for anyone who want to get complicated and time-consuming tasks off their hands but still getting the profit from online platforms. Overall 4.8. Easy to use, 4.8, price, 4.9, quality, 5, features, 4.7, support, 4.7, bonuses, 4.8, pros. Heart first ever patent pending free traffic app. Heart schedule 100% free traffic in 60 seconds, delivered on autopilot. Heart deliver 1000s of free leads and buyers to any link. Heart nothing else like it, new free source. Heart instant, fast, and free. Heart get free clicks, leads and sales today. Heart works in any niche. Heart 100% newbie friendly. Heart no cap on free daily clicks. Heart supplement the autopilot lifestyle. Cons. I have nothing negative against this amazing app. 60-second Traffic Review. About the creator Brian Winters. This unique and powerful software is brought to you by Brian Winters, a seasoning vendor who accumulated massive amount in experience and expertise in the field of online marketing. He has been an online marketer and software developer for over the past few years, having done multiple six-figure product launches, webinar promos and running multiple successful YouTube channels, on top of all the other cool things he and his team does. Some of his remarkable launches in this lucrative field are 5FIGUREDAY Full Throttle, Stacker, Shuffler, Stacker Mega Launch, Stuff My Inbox, Monster Mode 700K, Diddly Pay Pro, Shop Monopoly. 60-second Traffic Review. About its amazing features. The rule for this product is this: every 60 seconds of your time should result in at least 60 minutes worth of income results. So for example, if you spend 60 seconds doing some task online, or off, the results should be equivalent to if you'd worked at least 1 full hour. With 60-second Traffic, you're doing a 60-second task and getting paid just as if you'd worked an hour or even a day or even a month. You do not need a list or autoresponder to use 60 Street. But if you want to build a list from scratch or add to an existing one, 60ST traffic is perfect for getting leads into your Plus, Aweber, Plus, GetResponse, Plus, MailChimp, Plus, GoGVO, Plus, TrafficWave, Plus, Constant Contact, and virtually any autoresponder or list app on the market. And in addition to lead getting, 60ST is the perfect free traffic app to fuel your Plus, WarriorPlus.com commissions, Plus, PayPal commissions, Plus, ClickBank commissions, Plus, JVZoo commissions, Plus, Infusionsoft commissions, Plus, Nanocast commissions, Plus, and commissions on virtually any payment or affiliate platform. And as long as your offer is family friendly, you can instantly schedule free traffic to be sent to any offer. In other words, 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is your one-stop shop for sending thousands of free clicks to just about any ethical offer you can imagine. Button Learn. 60-second traffic review. How to use this product. Let me show you how to easily put this software into operation in just a few simple steps. Plus, log in. First thing first, you need to log into your account. 60-second traffic 1. Plus, join Facebook ad groups. Next, if you haven't joined any ad groups on Facebook, you need to follow the instructions and join at least 3 listed groups on the software, up to 10. Plus, share this ad. With each ad you post, you are required to share an ad of another member on the Facebook groups you have just joined. Simply click on copy and share the ad easily on your social platforms. Plus, post your own ads. After sharing the ad in the above section, now you are eligible for your own ad. With this feature, you need to enter your ad text together with your link, choose the category and then simply click Post It. Upon finishing, your ad will be featured on 60-second traffic community dashboard where everyone can see and share on their social platforms just like you did for them. 60-second traffic 4-3. Plus, account settings. You can also edit your profile, such as change the avatar, your name on the account, which is also important as it will attract the attention from other users on the community dashboard. 60-second traffic 5. Plus, feature it. After your original ad is posted, the system will make another duplicate to show at the top of the 60ST homepage when your original post being pushed down at the bottom, on autopilot. 60-second traffic 6. For more details, you should check the instruction video below. Why do I recommend this app? Here's why 60-second traffic is the ultimate no-brainer for anybody who wants to start getting thousands of free leads, traffic and sales online. First off, this is the way in which you can leapfrog from underdog to living the 60-second lifestyle. If you're sick and tired of having an empty PayPal, and online accounts with $0 balances and are willing to try something brand new and stupid easy to supplement accounts, then this online income app that's so new and different from everything else out there is the perfect choice for you. With 60-second traffic, there's absolutely none of the following as list building, social media, audience needed, search engine optimization, website building, building groups or social media pages, or even traffic getting experience needed whatsoever. Your traffic potential is unlimited and fully scalable. There is no cap. You will receive thousands upon thousands of clicks the more you use the app by scheduling traffic to your favorite links. Moreover, the posting interface is quite literally the most simple thing you've ever seen online. This patent-pending app lets you schedule fast, free clicks and traffic to any affiliate or offer link you want in just 60 seconds flat and start sending you as many as 150 plus clicks a pop, over and over again, guaranteeing 60ST app users fresh free clicks, leads, and commissions daily. And it works its magic by building a list of online followers for its users on autopilot, meaning you don't have to build a following because it's all 100% done for you. 60-second traffic pro feedback. 60-second traffic review, price and evaluation. The front end. I am glad to tell you that even though being jam-packed with our amazing features, it is sold with such a reasonable price of $17. To be honest, this is such a no-brainer compared with the majority products sold out there. Granted, All the amazing features and potential you get from purchasing this app will surely make it worth it even more. However, I advise you not to wait for long, because soon enough, the price will jump up even more and you will regret not making the DESI OTO3 unlocks the super feature tool, which in turn enables 60st app users to post additional, completely different ads on the network, essentially banner ads that run for 30 days straight, each, on the network. You can expect 100s and even 1000s of additional free clicks on complete autopilot with this upgrade. Pros. Heart first ever patent pending free traffic app. Heart schedule 100% free traffic in 60 seconds, delivered on autopilot. Heart deliver 1000s of free leads and buyers to any link. Heart nothing else like it, new free source. Heart instant, fast, and free. Heart get free clicks, leads and sales today. Heart works in any niche. Heart 100% newbie friendly. Heart no cap on free daily clicks. Heart supplement the autopilot lifestyle. 60-second traffic review, WHO is this for? All in all, this is 100% recommended for anyone who want to get complicated and time-consuming tasks off their hands but still getting the profit from online platforms. If you are plus business owners, plus publishers, plus brands, plus agencies, plus startups, plus product creators, plus bloggers, plus freelancers, plus influencers, and the list still goes on, you should take into consideration of purchasing this product. 60-second Traffic Pro FAQ. Conclusion: with all the detailed information I provided, I hope that you can have a deep insight into this pack. Please put in mind that the price will increase shortly after the special launch ends. Therefore, you had better take action now to close the best deals. Get 60-second Traffic Pro in the link at the description.